Kids have friends coming over. Don't have time to cook from scratch. Pigs in a blanket coming in clutch.
Preheat your oven to 375 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Roll your crescent rolls out flat. Using a pizza cutter, cut each triangle in half. Now you've got the perfect sized piece of dough for wrapping. Grab a mini wiener and place it on the wide end of the dough. Roll it up to the point, and that's it. No fancy technique. Repeat this process till you run out of wieners or dough. For this specific recipe, I use 2 tins of dough, but you can also stretch the dough farther if you cut it into thirds instead of into halves. I'll land them on a pan and warm up a 1/4 stick of butter. Gently brush the tops of each of your wieners. This will help them brown up in the oven. Finally, grab some salt and sprinkle it generously over the top. Toss them in the oven and you'll be done in 12 to 15 minutes. Pull them out, let them cool, and watch them disappear.